guys, my name is Yang, and we're going to play some Steam Hands. Press the start button. Alright, let's start the start. Letting. Alright.
Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your directions.
Ah, Superintendent Chalmers, welcome. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Oh,
burnt.
gods! My roast is ruined. But what if I were to purchase fast food and disguise it as my own cooking?
Really?
Delightfully devilish, Seymour.
Really? Wow, this is the music.
Superintendent, I was just stretching my calves on the windowsill. Isometric exercise. Here to join me?
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
Oh, that isn't smoke. It's steam. Steam from the steamed clams we're having. Steamed
Clams?
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
I thought we were having steamed clams.
No,
Steamed
I
clams.
said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers steamed ham?
Clams.
It's a regional dialect.
What region?
Wow, it's not.
Upstate New York.
Really? Well, I'm from Utica, and I've never heard anyone use the phrase steamed
Wow.
hams.
Oh, not in Utica. No, it's an Albany expression.
Steam
Nice.
ham.
You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at Krusty Burger.
Oh, no. Patented Skinner Burgers. Old family recipe.
Oh man.
For steamed hams.
Steam hams.
Yes.
Yes, and you call them steamed hams despite the fact they are obviously grilled.
You know, one thing excuse me for 1 second.
Of course.
Oh, well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. I'm pooped.
Yes, I should be. Good Lord, what is happening in there?
Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis. At this time of year, at this time
Okay.
of day, in this part of the country, localized entirely within your kitchen.
Yes.
That's it?
No.
Seymour, the house is on fire!
No, Mother, it's just the Northern Lights.
Oh,
Seymour,
man.
you are an odd fellow, but I must say...
Not
You seem a
nighttime.
good ham.
Yep. Help! Help! Wow. Follow me at Twitter at meh. That was a great story. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That was weird. It was the Northern Lights. It's not the Northern Lights. It's not even nighttime. Alright guys. Bye.